my name is Sam Willingham. I'm a registered cardiac sonographer and a registered vascular sonographer. So today I'm working on the Mindray Z60, and the probe that we're using is the 7L4P. I'm going to show you guys how to use caliper function. So if you look right here, you see the caliper button, so we're going to press it, then the little arrow comes up. So we're going to press caliper again, and then the tool appears for us. So we place it where we want to begin our caliper, press set, and then set again. And we're going to take another measurement. The little arrow shows, we press it again, set it where we want it, press set. So now we want to do a third measurement. We press the caliper key and you see the arrow populates again. Press the caliper key again. Set it where you want it. And you see up here where all three measurements have shown on the display screen. That is how you use the capillary key and function on the Mindray Z60. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like us and subscribe. See you next time.